Hi, hello, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good. So, today we are going to discuss IMO Level 2 sample paper for grade 4. First question: how many factors do the number 40 and 90 have? Okay, so here we have to find out the common factors. First, we have to find out all the factors of 40 and 90, and after that, we will find the common factors with that. Okay, in that. So, for 40, factors of 40 are 1, 2 is a factor, then 4 and 5. Okay, 4, 5 is a factor, 8, 5 is a 48 is a factor, then 10, 20, and last 40. These are the factors of 40. And what about 90? Yes, for 90, it is 1 is a factor, 2, yes, 3 is a factor, then 5, 6 is a factor, 9, 10, 15, 18 is a factor, then 30 is a factor, 30 into 3 is 90, and 45 into 2 is 90, 45 is a factor, and 90 is also a factor, 90 into 1, 90. So out of this, we have to find out the common factors. Okay, so here 1 is common in both 1 and 1, okay? And next 2 is common in both, 2 and 2 is common. And next the common is 5, 5 is common here. And anymore, yeah, 10 is also common in both. Okay, any others are common? No. So we have 4 common factors. So there are 4 common factors for both 40 and 90. So the correct option is option B, that is 4. Next question: what is the minimum number of squares that must be shaded so that the given figure has PQ as the line of symmetry? So this PQ, we should make the PQ as the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry, PQ. And what is the minimum number of squares that must be shaded? Okay, what is the minimum number that should be shaded to make it line of symmetry? Okay, so here, to make a line of symmetry, the minimum number we should shade here, it is, you can see, that is 1, it is shaded here, 1, 2, okay, and 3 here, see, 1, 2, and 3. At least 3 should be shaded here, okay, at least 3 squares should be shaded here to make the line of symmetry. See, they are asking for the minimum number of squares that must be shaded so that the given figure has PQ as the line of symmetry. Okay, PQ as the line of symmetry. So the minimum number of squares is 3. Next question: which of the following options represent the shaded part of the given figures? Okay, so given figure, in the given figure, the fraction is, the first one is the 3 by 4, and second one is 2 by 4, and third one is again 2 by 4. So which of the options will be correct? Yes, that is C option. That is 2 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4. 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is the sum of that shaded part. So the correct option is option C. That is 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Next question. Select the correct option. Okay, we have to select the watch which shows the correct time. Okay, so here in this 15 minutes past 8, okay, that is a wrong option. Okay, that is, this clock is showing wrong time. Next one, 20 minutes to 8, that is also showing incorrect. That is also incorrect. Third one, quarter past 5, quarter past 5, it is correct. And last one, it is 10 minutes to 3, that is also incorrect. So the correct option is only option C, quarter past 5. So the correct option is option C is the correct option. In a school race, Aman ran 2 kilometer 50 meter, Gunjan ran 3 kilometer 150 meter, and Karthik ran 1 kilometer 540 meter. So how much distance they cover all together? Okay, the total distance covered by these 3 friends that we have to, what we have to do here, we have to add all these distances like 2 kilometer, 50 meter, and 3 kilometer, 150 meter, and 1 kilometer and 540 meter. So 0, 4, 7, 740 meter and 6 kilometer. So 6 kilometer and 740 meter is the correct answer. So the correct answer is option D, 6 kilometer, 740 meter is the total distance covered by these three friends. Next question. Find the perimeter of the shaded part of the given figure. So a figure is given here and we have to find only the perimeter of the shaded part only. Okay, shaded part only. So we will see perimeter means what? It is the length of only the boundaries. Only the boundaries we have to count. Okay, that is a perimeter. So each line, okay, each unit it is given is 2. Okay, it is 2. So here shaded, how many shaded regions are there? We will start from here. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So how many parts are there? 20. 20 lines are there and each is 2 centimeter each. So 20 into 2, that is 40 centimeter is the perimeter of the shaded part. So we have 2 times 20 is there, the shaded part, total boundaries. So 2 into 20, 2 into 20, that is 40 centimeter is the perimeter. So the correct option is option D, 40 centimeter. Next question, which of the following options is correct? Okay, so in these we have to choose the correct option. Okay, first one, 8,240. 8,214, it is given as, it is wrong only. Okay, so here thousands place, hundred place is not given here. This is wrong. And next one, 21425. Okay, and last tens place, ones place is not given here. That is also wrong. Next, 32104. 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 100. Tens place is not given. Yes, this is correct answer. And the last one, 4146. That is 4,000 plus, that is the expanded form of 4146 is 4,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 4. Okay, this is also wrong. So the correct option is only option C. So this is the correct option. That is option C. This is the correct expanded form. Next, 8th question. The given table shows the number of books donated by an NGO to needy children in 5 different months. Find the fraction of the number of books donated in January and May together to the total number of books donated in all the 5 months. So here we have to find out the total number of books. Okay, fraction of number of books donated in January and May together. January and May together. Here, January and May together, it is how much? Yes, it is January and May together, 250 plus 150. January and May together, it is 250 plus 150. That is 400. Okay, that is 400. And to the fraction of number of books donated in all the 5 months. All the 5 months means what? We have to add all the number, total number. To get the total number of books, we have to add it all together. 250, 100, 130 plus 120 plus 150. So that is 750. 400 by 750 we will get 8 by 15 is the required fraction. So the correct option is option D, 8 by 50. Next question. How many of the following figures are closed? So the closed figure, in these figures, how many are closed and how many are open are there? The first one is open, first one is closed, second one is also closed, third one is open, fourth one is closed, fifth one is closed, and the sixth one is open. So we have to find out how many of the following figures are closed. So here, first one is closed, second one is closed, fourth one is closed, and fifth one is closed. So how many closed figures are there? Yes, there are four closed figures and the other two are open. Okay, the correct option is option A, that is 4. Which number should not be placed in the box to have the number in order from the greatest to the least? See, here some numbers are given and they are arranged in the arranged in greatest to least. That is in the descending order. So, out of these four numbers, what number is there which cannot be placed in the place of question mark? So, we have to find out that number. First number, if we place, okay, we can place that number. Second number also we can place because it falls on between 5, 6, 4, 2 and 2, 3, 4, 1. This can also be placed. 5, 6, 1, 1. Okay, this can also be placed. 5, 9, 4, 6. This cannot be placed because this is greater than 5642. Okay, so D, option D, this number cannot be placed in between. So the correct option is option D, 5946. Next question. Find the sum of place values and face values of digits at thousands place and tens place in the given number. So here we have to find out the sum of place value and face value of digits at thousands place and tens place. Okay, face value means place value we know and face value is that number itself. That is a face value. Okay, so here sum of place value and face value. Okay, so first we will find out the sum of place value and face value at thousands place. Okay, in thousands place we have 5 and the place value of it there is 5000 and face value is 5 itself. So we will get 5005. Okay, and in the tens place we have 3. Place value is 30 and face value is 3 only. Okay, so we will get 33. Okay, and we have to add this together. 5005 plus 33. Okay, 8305. 5038. So the correct option is option D, that is 5038. Next, which of the following options shows the sum of CDXL Roman numeral CDXL11 and CCCLX51? Okay, V1. Okay, so we have to find out first, find out all the numbers and which is the correct option which shows the sum of these two Roman numerals. Okay, so here first we will find out CDXL11. What is the value of this? CDXL11, which is equal to, yes, here we know that C stands for 100 and D stands for 500, like that. Okay, so each Roman numerals will stand for different numbers. So CDXL11. Okay, this one will give, we have the value of this is 300, like 442. Okay, value of this is 442 and CCCLXV1. Okay, so CCC, that is 300, like this is 100 plus 100. C is 100. Okay, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus L is 50. 50 plus 10. X is 10 plus V is 5 plus 1. Okay, So that is equal to 366. So when we add these two, what we will get? 442 plus 366. 808. So which of these values, 808, is equal to which of these Roman numerals that we have to find? Okay. So first one we have DCX C1x. Okay. DCX C1x. This is equal to, this will equal to 599. Okay. And next one, second one, DCCXL E1. Okay. DCCXLV1, this is equal to 746. Okay. Third one, DCCCE111. Okay. That is equal to 808. Okay. And here we have C option is equal to, this is equal to 808. So the correct option is option C. Next question. Which of the following options shows the equivalent fraction of sum of 1 by 5 and 3 by 10? So, which is the fraction which is equivalent to the sum of 1 by 5 and 3 by 10? So, first we will find out the sum of 1 by 5 and 3 by 10. Okay. So, when we take the sum, we will get 10 plus 50 by 50. So, that is equal to 25 by 50. So when we simplify that, we will get 1 by 2. Which of these fraction is equivalent to 1 by 2? First one is not. Second one, 15 by 20. Yes, this is equivalent to 1 by 2, right? 15 by 20 is, 50 by 30 is equivalent to 1 by 2. 15 by 20 is not equivalent to 1 by 2. Okay, this one also not. So the correct option is option B, 15 by 30. Next question. Find the difference. See here, a bar graph is given here. So we have to find out difference between the number of items sold by Tanya and connect together and number of items sold by Priya. Okay. So here we have to find their difference here. Okay. So Tanya and connect together. Okay. Tanya, how much? Yes, it is 60. And connect. Connect is 60. Connect is like 70. Okay. So Tanya and connect together 60 plus 7 is 130. Total they are together 130. And Priya alone, how much she sold? Priya alone, it is 40. Okay. So we have to find their difference. So 130 minus 40. 130 minus 40, how much we will get? Yes, 130 minus 40, we will get 90. Okay. So 90 is the correct answer. Okay. 90 is the difference between number of items sold by Tanya and connect together and number of items sold by Priya. Okay. 90 is the difference. So the correct option is option C, 90. Next, 15th question. If each decorative item show cost 125 rupees, then find the amount of money earned by Rashi. So here you can see Rashi. Okay. Rashi you can see here. See how much she sold? Yes, 90 items. Okay. And the cost of one item, one decorative item is 125 rupees. Okay. So 125 into 90. So that is the amount she earned, Rashi earned. So 125 into 90, we will get 11250 rupees. This is the amount of money earned by Rashi by selling decorative items, 11250. That is the correct option is option A. Next, 16th question. Sahil has a field of rectangle shape. Length of the field is twice its breadth and breadth is 80 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. So here Sahil has a rectangle shape of field. Okay. And length of field is twice its breadth. Okay. And breadth is given as 80 meter. And if breadth is 80, it is given length is twice that of breadth. So if breadth is 80, then length will be what? Twice of 80, that is 160. 80 plus 80, that is 160. And we have to find the perimeter of the rectangular field. Formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus B, length plus breadth. Okay, so that is 2 into 160 plus 80. 160 is our length and 80 is our breadth. So 2 into 240, and that is 480 meter is the perimeter of that rectangular shape field. So the correct option is option B, 480. Next, how many of the following letters have parallel lines? Okay, so here we have to find how many these. Okay, we will check for each and every letter here. First one, yes, T is having parallel lines like this. See, these are all parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines means what? Because they will never intersect each other, right? They will, throughout their life, they will never intersect each other. That is parallel lines. T is having parallel lines. A is having parallel lines. Here again, R is having parallel lines. G also, they are having parallel lines. Okay. And E also, they are having parallel lines. And E also. Here, all the letters have parallel lines. Okay. So the correct option is option C, that is 6. Next question. How many more triangles should be shaded so that the given fraction figure has 2 by 3 as the shaded fraction? Okay. So here we have to get 2 by 3 as the shaded fraction. So how many more triangles should be shaded here? That we have to find out. Here already 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded out of, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12, 4 are shaded, right? Out of 12, 4 are shaded, and we have to get 2 by 3 as the fraction, shaded fraction, right? So 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3 we want to get. Okay. How many triangles, more triangles we want to shade to get 2 by 3 as the fraction, shaded fraction. Okay. 4 by 3 is already shaded. So when we add 4 more triangles, when we shade 4 more triangles, what will happen? The fraction will become 8 by 12. Okay. 8 by 12, that is equal to 4 times, it is 2, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So our fraction will become 2 by 3 here. Okay. So how many more triangles should be shaded here? Yes. Option is A. Correct option is option A, 4. 4 more triangles should be shaded to make the fraction 2 by 3. Next question. Question number 90. What will you get if you round off the greatest 5-digit even number to the nearest 100? Okay. Greatest 5-digit even number. So, this is the greatest 5-digit even number. What? This is the greatest 5-digit number. Okay. And this is not even. Okay. Next even number is, which is the greatest even number, 5-digit. Yes. This is the greatest even 5-digit even number. Okay. When we round off this to the nearest thousands. Okay. So we have to round this to the nearest thousand. What we will have? Yes. This is the correct option. When we round off to the nearest thousand, we will get. So the correct option is option A. Option A is the correct. Next, study the given picture carefully and answer the following questions. So here you can see the pin here. Okay. Stapler pin here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Each showing the length. See. Stapler 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stapler is length of stapler is 5. And the length of chopstick from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Length of chopstick is 8. And what about the length of fork? From here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So that is yes. Length of fork is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Length of fork is also 5. So the length of stapler and fork together. Stapler and fork together means what? 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10, is dash longer than the length of chopstick. Length of chopstick is what? 8. So here 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So the correct option is option B, that is 2. 2 is too long, 2 pins longer than the length of chopsticks. Okay. Correct option is option B, 2.